If you want to create engaging videos that capture the attention without showing your face, you're in the right spot. In this video, I'm going to share with you 30 creative content ideas perfect for beginners to help you inspire your next or your first video. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I also shall be revealing some editing tips, including how to use AI and Capcut. So let's dive in our first batch of faceless ideas for videos. To tell you out even more, I have added some editing tips to go along each one. So the first one is animation tutorials. Create animated tutorials that visually explain concept. You can use free platforms like Canva, Powtoon, or even invest in something like Doodly for simple animations. Number 2, screen recording. This is where you can share software tips or gameplay with a voiceover. You could use UBS Studio or just screen record for high quality recordings at no extra cost. I will say though, if you want hundreds of gameplay footage, and I'm talking about sludge content, Minecraft footage and Grand Theft Auto GTA clips for your content, then check out the resources in my description. Number 3, voiceover stories. Narrate stories with engaging visuals or stock footage. You can make it even more entertaining by using movie stock footage. You don't blend in with the rest of the crowd. And you can use free stock footage websites like Pixelbay, Pexels, Canva for cool video clips. Number 4, time-lapse projects. Simply show a product from start to finish in a time-lapse. You can use your smartphone for easy filming. Number 5 is text-based tips. Share tips or quotes with engaging text animations. Canva can provide you with free animated text options to enhance your visuals. Number 6, cooking without faces. Simply film cooking tutorials from a top-down perspective, and you can get those little tripods now, can't you, which you put on your hat, a cap, or on your head, or on your body, which face down, which are really cool. And these will give you a top-down perspective while making you be able to cook, basically, hands-free. And you can use your phone's camera and use natural light for clear shots. Want to make this process even more fun? Get a friend to record you, or family member, partner. Get a fun activity to do once a week. Number 7, product reviews. Use close-up shots of products with a voiceover commentary. It doesn't have to be yours if you don't want to. Make sure you film in a well-lit area. Keep the focus on the product's details. Number 8, crafting, do-it-yourself DIY videos. Show your hands crafting or creating without revealing your face. Here's a tip for you. Position your camera so it's directly above your workspace, and this will help with clearer visuals. Number 9 is music videos. So you can create visuals that sync with your chosen music without showing your face. And these are huge, especially on YouTube. You can use the video editor like Capcut for free music syncing, or use the YouTube music library feature for tunes. And use these for music, including the syncing features and basic effects. Number 10 is natural footage. Compile beautiful and stunning nature shots with a calming narration. And you can easily do this by just recording your videos on your walks or your hikes, or just use natural free stock footage. Now those are just the first 10 ideas. Which one sparks your creativity? Let me know in the comments right now. So let's keep the momentum going, baby. So number 11 is gaming montages. Probably said that wrong, but I'm sure you'll correct me. So what you're going to do is create highlight clips of your gameplay, and you can use something like ShareX or OBS Studio, screen recording at no extra cost. You're welcome, by the way. Number 12 is art process videos. Showcase your art process with a voiceover explaining your techniques. Here's a tip: speed up the footage with free software like Capcut or even iMovie. Number 13 is mini documentaries. So what you're going to do is you're going to create faceless documentaries based on interesting topics. You can use Lightworks for free video editing and cool simple effects. Number 14 is virtual tours. So take viewers on a tour of a place of your choice using voice narration, and you can easily record this using a smartphone and use something like Capcut or InShot for easy editing. Voila! Don't forget, all this content you can make for your YouTube channel can transform into short form content. 15 is pet videos. Who let the dogs out? Who? Don't worry, he's trained. So pet videos, what you can do is feature your pets doing weird or bizarre, cute things or acts without even showing yourself. The best idea here would be is try and capture footage that is spontaneous in the moment, and this will make it really authentic. Also, I mean, the best things always happen unplanned, unscripted. If you don't have a pet, then you could use stock footage of pets, or with permission, use someone else's pet. Number 16, how-to guides, a really popular one. So you're going to explain how to do something, just showing the relevant results. and process, while showing only the relevant visuals. And you can easily make these and edit these by using overlays in Capcut, and do this to highlight key steps. Getting there. Number 17, compilation videos. So what you can do is gather clips around a theme, like funny, fails, hacks, and use editing software like Capcut or Hit Film Express for simple editing. Number 18, voiceover podcasts. Create a podcast style video with relevant visuals. You can record audio using your phone's mic or your phone's voice memo app for more clarity. Number 19 is listicles. So what you do is present a list of things, ideas or tips with dynamic text and graphics. Then you can use something like Canva, Pexels for free graphics, and animated text, even Capcut, to make it more engaging. Number 20, tutorials on tools. So showcase tools or apps without revealing your identity. Woohoo! You can use something like Snagit for easy screen recording and capturing visuals. You can also use the screen recording feature on your phone, computer, Mac, whatever you use. Number 21 is behind the scenes, BTS. So share behind the scenes. Share the behind the scenes process of creating content or whatever you're doing without showing yourself. Use quick cuts and simple edits to maintain a fast-paced narrative. Which of those ideas do you think would resonate the most with your ideal audience? Number 22, you won't believe this, but while recording, I've just thought of another obvious, easy idea, so I'm going to throw that in at the end as a bonus. But number 22, mood boards. So create visual mood boards, and you can use Canva for easy design and animate your boards for free. Number 23, life hacks. Everyone loves a hack. So share clever tips without even appearing on camera. And you can just use simple graphics to make this more engaging, or adding in those quick cuts once again. Number 24 is flashback videos. So edit together past clips with engaging narratives. And you can use something like Shortcut, easy video editing and transitions. Number 25, interactive quizzes. Create quizzes or polls with visually engaging layouts. And you can use free templates like Google Slides to make quizzes more interactive. Number 26, travel videos. Showcase travel footage with your voiceover, sharing experiences. Keep your clips concise and focus on highlights and feelings for maximum impact. Number 27, music remixes. Edit together visuals, occupy your favorite music remixes. So accompany your favorite music remixes. And you can use Capcut to create seamless cuts that sync with the beat or video leap. Number 28, DIY decor videos. Showcase home decor projects, or decor, however you want to say it, without showing your face. Film in well-lit conditions, the best quality. And keep your shots steady. Number 29, explainer videos. Great animated explaining videos on topics that you're already passionate about. You utilize tools like Animaker or Platoon for easy animations, or add none at all. Number 30 is art challenges. Document your art challenges while focusing on the artwork. You could use a timer graphic in your editing software to show your progress. Now here's the bonus idea. Motivational health or fitness videos. So you can inspire your audience to adapt to healthier lifestyle and stay active. And you can use upbeat, energetic background music to set a motivational tone, pair uplifting messages or quotes with visuals of people working out, preparing healthy meals, or enjoying outdoor activities. And you can easily find free stocks footage, Pexels, Pixel Bay, use your own, other people with their permission. And really consider using voiceovers with motivational quotes or personal success stories to create a deeper connection with your audience. So those were some awesome ideas, huh? Don't forget to check out the description for more resources to help you out. So here are my top editing tips for you for your faceless videos. And don't forget, with all the content you're making on your main YouTube channel, you can transform this into short form videos and put them onto other social media platforms, including putting them on your YouTube Shorts. So the first tip is use dynamic text animations. So use text creatively to convey your message. So explore the templates in Capcut or Canva for easy animations. Number 2, use engaging sound effects. Incorporate sound effects to enhance the viewing experience and mood and feeling vibe of the video. Capcut has loads of free sound effects, but you can also check out freesound.org. Use B-roll footage. Use B-roll clips to support your narrative visually. You can also film additional content or footage just using your phone to create engaging overlays. Fourth tip is use color grading. Make your visuals pop. Just use simple filters in Capcut to enhance your video's color. Tip number 5, just keep it concise. Get to the point. Trim unnecessary parts. It help keep the viewer engaged. Aim for a video length that fits your desired social media platform's best practices. Example, under 10 minutes, 5 minutes for YouTube if you're a beginner. Under 60, 30 seconds for Instagram. Minute 30 for TikTok. Now, Capcut has some cool features like using different voiceovers, but if you want more of AI feel, then you can use something like
talk
11
like this?
Labs. You see it's very popular on all social media platforms. If you're struggling with scripts, you could use ChatGPT, although it's very basic. So an alternative idea you can do is contact a website like Scribify, and this is a writing community where you can share your scripts and get feedback from other writers. How cool is that? There's Writer's Work, which provides tools for script writing, including templates and formatting, Celtex, Final Draft, Trello, and Notion. I'll put all these in the description for you. The last two I've just mentioned are not specifically for scripting. They can help you organize your ideas and outline your scripts visually. If you're going to use AI tools like 11 Labs, make sure you select the right voice style and choose a voice that matches the mood of your content. Whereas this is enthusiastic, calm, professional, or friendly. And choose voice parameters. The speed, pitch, and tone suit your audience. For example, a slow voice could convey more seriousness. Fast pace might encourage more energetic content. With your content, make sure you're using engaging visuals. Dynamic visuals help keep the viewer engaged. Incorporate background music and choose appropriate music that suits the tone of your message and video. Make sure that music is balanced so you can actually hear the voiceover if you're using one. Leverage sound effects to emphasize important points or transitions. This can make your content feel more dynamic and engaging without overwhelming the viewer. Don't be afraid to test different voices and see what resonates best with your audience. Ask for feedback, and you can do this with trusted friends or colleagues first before you put it out into the world, or just share it to your stories feature and tweak and adjust accordingly. Aim to improve every time you create a new piece of content, and make sure you stay updated with the latest AI tools and features, because this can make your life easier with the content creation process. Capcut, you can also add stickers to make your videos pop. Now let's talk about Capcut. This app is fantastic for creating engaging faceless content, and that's because of its user-friendly interface. Here are my top tips for using this. Templates. Using the built-in templates to save time and enhance your visuals. Capcut has a variety of text animations that can add flair to your videos. Voiceover features. Easy record or just overlay. Voiceover directly from the app. Speed control. That's the video speed. Create dynamic effects or amplifies key moments. You can also use stickers and effects. If you found these ideas and tips helpful, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. And make sure you check out the description for resources to help you with this video subject. Keep creating, keep exploring to engage with your audience, even if you don't have to show your face. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you on the next one.